Welcome to Module 8. This is the last module where we'll be showing you specific features and exactly how to use them. After this, we'll be moving more into concepts and how to approach your project. So in this module, we're going to be covering the local data donut chart. And in our next video in this module, we'll move on to the advanced charts. And then the last video will cover our third-party integration components, but we'll only be looking at them from an overview point of view. We won't be getting into detail because these are more for developers. We will in the future be doing a developers module which gets into detail with these and allows you to try them out. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at the local data donut chart. This is a chart that basically loads data that's present in your block in the form. So just to describe what I mean, we'll do full width and I'll just say a third size each. I would say field 1, duplicate that, and we'll duplicate this one. And now we'll build a chart. So we'll just say third. I'm going to put it in the middle. So what we're going to do is build a chart out of the values that are in our three fields. And the reason it's called local data is because it's only the data that's present in the block at the moment. And as you can see in the edit size, it tells you which fields it's associated with. You will see something here. Note at least one field requires to have the trigger all charts setting turned on for the graph to load. So let's say we wanted to get a graph. Let's say we wanted to do a pie or a local donut chart that breaks up these three numbers. We need something to trigger that. And that's what this field parameter is. This field triggers local data chart updates. That can go on to any field. It doesn't even have to be a field that's linked with the chart. But it's nice to put it on the actual fields. I'll put them on all of them. So every time I change the value and hit return, it'll do that for me. Because this is part of the actions that I've talked about throughout all the modules. So when the actions are triggered, this is one of the actions. It's to update the charts. So now let's check it out. Let's say 4, 10, and 4. And I hit return. And now we have our chart loading and we can see how it's after breaking down the data. Let's make this 50. So that's quite a simple explainer of the chart. These values don't have to be text fields. These particular fields, they can be anything. So keep that in mind that you could get a count of something and, populate maybe how many have you in stock and how many don't you have in stock, stuff like that. And then you get your chart generating here, or you could use it for progress. Like how many things have you complete versus how many have you not complete yet. And you can pull that data from a different block. And again, trigger the chart using the parameter so that when you press the button or when the value changes, it'll update this chart. So that's the local pie chart, or the local donut chart, sorry. The name of that block is incorrect. In the next video, we'll be looking at our advanced charts, which get a lot deeper than that one. Thanks, goodbye.